Okay, on to the next two units. Man, I got a gnarly kink in this, and the unit was replaced, and they didn't replace that? Come on, people. I pull my disconnects. That's the next two.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, on to the next two units. Man, I got a gnarly kink in this, and the unit was replaced, and they didn't replace that? Come on, people. I pull my disconnects. That's the next two. Set that after. No hard start kit on this one. It's a 40/5. I'll bet you it's bad. I'm just going to disconnect the whole thing. Discharge the capacitor. Test. And then this one. Not too easy to get the lid off. Oh, it's got a 45. 5 on it. Oh, looks like Microfarad. Okay, I'll discharge the capacitor. I'll disconnect the start wire. I actually can't tell from this compressor if that's really the right size or not. Can kind of rinse that off and take a look. Looks like a Titan Pro on the fan cap. That's good. Alright, now ready to test. So microfarads on the fan, looking for 5. 4.95, that's good. And on the cap, looking for 45. Ooh. Maybe I have a bad connection. Let's see. 43.3. Alright, that's good. And on our Goodman over here. Common 37. It's just barely weak. 38 would be okay. And the 5, 3.25, so that's bad on that note. Okay, so we need a 40/5 on this one. I'm gonna write it inside as well. 40/5. 40/5. And that one has no hard start kit, so I'm going to add a hard start kit. Okay. So here's our 40. I'm going to have to reshape this deal. There we go. Now I've got a hanger for my hard start kit as well. That angle here. Get that a better angle. And the other common. Gonna be a good summer. You know, if I can get to these preventative maintenance, I was very blessed, very happy to be able to do this because it's going to make all the difference in the summer experience. Bad summer, good summer. It's going to be a much better summer. These, okay. I guess I could have tested it, huh? Well, I didn't really change anything. Yes, I did. Changed everything. It doesn't have a compressor protector. Or so dyslexic sometimes. It doesn't have a contactor cover. Okay. Here we go. This one, let's go test that. Hard start kit real quick, even though it looks pretty new. So, microfarad setting, one lead, and the hard start. I don't see these failing very much. I think I hear other people saying that they do, but I'm not seeing it very often. I mean, I've not that I've never had them happen. I've seen them melt, but they're supposed to be taken out of the circuit after a brief moment. 48.1 is good. Okay. So we're good here. Reconnect everything back up. Uh-oh. Unit just turned on. Someone is wanting some cooling. And here's our fan. It's ready to run. Well, that's good. We'll get to test it for real now that it's on. Okay. So I'll go ahead and plug in both my units. And this one will get tested right away. And it's nice because it has a compressor protector. I wouldn't have been able to really turn it on unless I took that connector off. So here goes plugging it in. like unscrewed. Bar ways. Same with this one. Not good. Might come back to it and refix that up. We don't want a no cool call for that. It's getting close there. See if I can pull it up. Yeah, it's pulling it up. That's good. That side too. So, better. All right. So here goes testing this one. Oh, it's beautiful. And motor spinning the right way. Nice and quiet. Just gonna fix this fan baffle a little bit better. That's it for this one. It's running good. Make for a much better year. Better summer. All right.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.